In order to open two apps with the split screen view or the split view on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, the first thing that you can do is you can go ahead and open the first app that you want to open in the split screen view. And then we're going to go to background apps or recent tasks, tap on the app name over here at the top, and then we have the split view option. So you can tap over here, and then we can choose the second app that you want to open in the split screen view. We can grab by this thick line over here in order to change the proportion. As you can see over here, we can move it up and down a little bit. We have these three dots that we can use to, for example, make some changes. And also you can swipe all the way up or all the way down in order to go back to the full screen just like that. Another way to open the split screen view is with the gestures navigation. So if you use gestures for navigation, you can swipe from the bottom to the upper left side over here where we have the split view. Then once again we can choose another app, and there we go. Once again we have activated the split screen view. Also, if you use the sidebar, if you have sidebar enabled, you can press and hold your finger on the app that you want to open, and then as you can see we can activate the split view like this as well. And there we go. That is pretty much it. As you can see, we can also grab by these three dots, for example, and swipe them up or down to switch the position of these apps. Leave a like and subscribe.